So this is a direct drive solar pump. Right now it's running off my solar panel on my balcony. It can run either on 12 volt or 24 volt. Currently it's running off of 12. So I think it's half the gallons per minute. Right now it's probably running at about 1.5 gallons per minute. So I have it just pumping into itself. This thing just recycles. And it's been running now about a half an hour. It's about 7 o'clock. And the sun's still shining bright outside. So this should run anytime the sun shines to eventually fill a cistern. These things will pump, I think it's 300 and some feet above, and then it will pull like 150 feet out of a 150 foot well. My well is like less than 10 feet. I do have a PVC well point coming that has perforations in it. It is a 4-inch PVC point, 5 feet long. The perforations are 5 feet, and that will be inside another casing. That will be stones between the outer casing and the inner point, and then this pump inside the well point, PVC well point. Like I say, it's been running about a half an hour now. I'm going to just keep letting it run. Like I said, it will eventually fill a cistern, and I will use it for filling a cistern, for mixing concrete or whatever on site for eventual build of a fire tower. So I'll probably put this up on YouTube, and I'll be going up the weekend after the 4th of July week to install all this. I got some PEX line. I'm probably going to just buy a cheap 55-gallon blue water container to fill up for testing purposes. I want to see how well the well actually recovers and how much it can pump before it runs dry. Hopefully it won't, but we'll see depending on how I set it up. So this is Adirondacks for me, and we'll be seeing you in another video later on next month. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I just hooked up a 1-gallon milk container to this pump, and in 45 seconds it filled the container. So if you do the math on that, it's let's see, 1 gallon divided by 45 is like, I don't know, it's a number. You multiply that number times 60 seconds in a minute, and it comes up with 1.3 gallons per minute. So you're supposed to round it down to the nearest whole number. So roughly a gallon a minute, which, you know, if it's running 3 or 4 hours a day on solar power to fill the cistern, I don't see a problem. It will be recycled out of the cistern back into the well itself to refresh the well. So that's how that's going to be set up. But I may run it on a 24 volt system, which would double the output, but I don't think it's necessary. I'll probably have a 250 gallon cistern, roughly somewhere in that range. So that's more than enough water for a single cabin, and we'll go from there. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm combining this with another earlier video of the pump that I explained a little bit about, and enjoy.